Mastering manufacturing excellence. We fetishize the wrong metrics, touting mediocrity as manufacturing excellence. Why do we use the specific key performance indicators, KPIs, that we do to measure and evaluate our level of manufacturing excellence within our organization? In the pursuit of manufacturing excellence, measuring and evaluating an organization's performance is crucial to identify areas of improvement, track progress, and make data-driven decisions. Key performance indicators, KPIs, play a vital role in this endeavor, providing a quantifiable way to assess the organization's level of operational excellence. The specific KPIs chosen to measure manufacturing excellence are carefully selected to align with the organization's goals and objectives, and to provide a comprehensive view of its performance. One of the primary KPIs used to measure manufacturing excellence is overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. E is a composite metric that combines three critical components: availability, performance, and quality. By calculating E, organizations can gain insights into the efficiency of their production lines, identifying opportunities to reduce downtime, increase productivity, and improve product quality. For instance, an E score of 85% indicates that the production line is operating at 85% of its maximum capacity, highlighting areas for improvement to reach optimal performance. Another essential KPI is cycle time reduction, CENTER, which focuses on reducing the time it takes to complete a production cycle. By measuring CENTER, organizations can identify bottlenecks in their processes, optimize production workflows, and increase throughput. A lower cycle time not only improves productivity but also reduces waste, lowers inventory levels, and enhances customer satisfaction. Total productive maintenance, TPM, is another critical KPI that measures the effectiveness of maintenance activities in ensuring equipment reliability and reducing downtime. TPM encourages a proactive approach to maintenance, rather than a reactive one, enabling organizations to schedule maintenance activities during planned downtime, reducing the likelihood of unplanned stoppages. Inventory turnover, ITO, is a KPI that assesses an organization's ability to manage inventory levels effectively. By measuring ITO, organizations can identify opportunities to optimize inventory management, reduce stockouts, and minimize overstocking. This KPI is particularly important in manufacturing, where inventory levels can have a significant impact on production schedules and customer satisfaction. Lead time reduction, LTR, is a KPI that focuses on reducing the time it takes to complete a production order, from receipt of customer order to delivery. By measuring later, organizations can identify opportunities to streamline their production processes, reduce waste, and improve customer satisfaction. First-time quality, FTQ, is a KPI that measures the percentage of products that meet quality standards on the first attempt. FTQ is a critical metric, as it directly impacts customer satisfaction, reduces rework and scrap, and improves overall production efficiency. Organizations that excel in FTQ are better positioned to reduce warranty claims, improve brand reputation, and increase customer loyalty. In addition to these KPIs, organizations may also track metrics such as employee engagement, training, and development, which are critical components of operational excellence. These metrics provide insights into the organization's ability to attract, retain, and develop its workforce, essential for driving continuous improvement and manufacturing excellence. To ensure the effective use of KPIs, organizations must establish a robust data collection and analysis system. This involves defining clear targets and benchmarks for each KPI, regularly collecting and analyzing data, and using the insights gained to drive improvement initiatives. Effective communication and visualization of KPIs are also crucial, enabling employees to understand their role in achieving operational excellence and motivating them to contribute to the organization's improvement efforts. In conclusion, the specific KPIs chosen to measure manufacturing excellence are carefully selected to provide a comprehensive view of an organization's performance, identify areas for improvement, and drive operational excellence. By tracking and analyzing these KPIs, organizations can optimize their production processes, improve product quality, reduce waste, and increase customer satisfaction, ultimately driving business growth and profitability.